2025, a year filled with breakthroughs, shocks, and mysteries that left scientists confused, governments silent, and the internet obsessed. Tonight, we dive into 20 mysterious events from 2025 that stunned the world. Some were strange, some were terrifying, and some are still unexplained. Let's begin. Number 1. The Icelandic Sky Pulse. In March 2025, people across Iceland reported seeing the sky pulse with red and violet stripes, moving like a giant, silent heartbeat. Meteorologists scrambled for an explanation, calling it an atmospheric anomaly, but witnesses on the ground had a simpler, more chilling description. The sky was alive. Number 2. The unidentified triangular light over Nevada. For 7 minutes, a massive triangular formation of silent lights hovered in the night sky. Military and civilian radar picked up nothing. The U.S. Air Force officially denied any involvement. To this day, the debate rages. Was it a top-secret military craft or something not from this world? Number 3. The disappearing lake in Argentina. Lake Colhuapi, a massive body of water, vanished overnight. There was no flood, no earthquake, no visible cracks in the earth. It was just gone. While scientists pointed to an extreme drought, local folklore speaks of something ancient awakening beneath the lakebed. Number 4. The 4-second radio signal from deep space. The CT Institute captured a repeating 4-second pulse from a star system 130 light-years away. It was structured, artificial, and didn't match any known natural cosmic source. Scientists around the world were electrified. Then, as suddenly as it began, it stopped, leaving us all wondering who or what was on the other end. Number 5. The Blackbird Fall of Tokyo. One clear afternoon, thousands of blackbirds fell from the sky simultaneously over a crowded city district. It was a scene straight out of a horror movie. Authorities ran every test imaginable. The birds were free of toxins. The weather was perfect. The cause remains completely unknown. Number 6. The wave that came from nowhere. A 20-foot rogue wave slammed into the coast of Portugal on a perfectly calm day. There was no seismic activity, no storm system for hundreds of miles. A single satellite recorded the anomaly, describing it as a sudden wall of water that defied all oceanographic models. Number 7. The 3-minute global internet blackout. On April 11th, at the exact same time stamp worldwide, the internet went dark. Every country, every system, for precisely 3 minutes. To this day, no one has explained how a total, simultaneous global blackout was even technologically possible, let alone who had the power to do it. Number 8. The elephant migration mystery. In Kenya, a herd of elephants suddenly broke their migration pattern, formed a single long line, and walked 13 kilometers east. Their destination? The home of a local conservationist who had just passed away. They gathered silently around the house for hours. No one knows how they knew. Number 9. The spontaneous fire circles in Australia. Across 9 remote locations in the outback, perfectly circular patches of land ignited all at once. There was no lightning, no evidence of human activity. Just 9 flawless circles of fire, burning in the middle of nowhere. Number 10. The global hum returns. People in multiple countries reported hearing a deep rumbling hum that seemed to come from everywhere and nowhere at once. It lasted exactly 40 seconds. Strangely, no microphones or recording devices could capture the sound. Only human ears could hear it. Number 11. The half-moon illusion in Brazil. For 12 minutes, the moon appeared to be cut perfectly in half, like a clean slice. Thousands of photos and videos flooded the internet, confirming it wasn't a localized trick of the light. Astronomers were baffled. The photos are real, but the illusion remains unexplained. Number 12. The temple shadow in India. An ancient, 1,000-year-old temple began casting a shadow of a shape that did not match its own structure. It was an architectural impossibility. Engineers visited, mapping every angle with lasers. The physics didn't add up. The shadow remained impossible. Number 13. Dolphins forming a spiral. Off the coast of Oman, Fishermen recorded over 200 dolphins swimming in a perfect geometric spiral for nearly an hour. Marine biologists called the synchronized display unprecedented behavior. Viewers online were convinced it was something more, a message. Number 14. The mountain glow in Switzerland. The famous Mount Pilatus began to glow a brilliant blue from within for 45 seconds. Geologists rushed to the site but found no radioactive materials or chemical reactions that could explain it. Hikers who saw it described the site as a mountain-breathing light. Number 15. The phone call from the dead. In a truly unsettling event, hundreds of users worldwide reported receiving blank, silent calls from phone numbers that belonged to deceased relatives. When they checked their call logs, there was no record of the call. Telecom companies investigated and found no outgoing signals from the numbers. The call logs were empty. Number 16, the vanishing wolves of Canada. A well-tracked pack of 23 wolves in a Canadian wildlife reserve simply disappeared. Their GPS collars all stopped transmitting at the exact same moment. Extensive searches found no bodies, no tracks leading away, no signals, nothing. They vanished from the face of the earth. Number 17, the clock freeze. In a small town in Italy, every single clock, digital, analog, on phones, on ovens, froze at 2:11 a.m. for exactly 90 seconds. What's truly strange is that surveillance footage kept running normally. It wasn't a power outage. It was as if for that town alone, time itself stopped. Number 18, the lights under the Antarctic ice. Researchers operating a deep ice neutrino detector detected moving light sources under 3 kilometers of solid ice. These weren't static bioluminescent flashes. They were distinct lights that moved, changed direction, and traveled for miles beneath the ice sheet. Number 19, the desert whispers. Travelers and nomads in the Sahara Desert began reporting the same strange phenomenon. Hearing clear, whispering voices carried on the wind, even when they were completely alone. The whispers were never captured on any recording device, described by those who heard them as a conversation between the dunes. And number 20, the silent tornado. In Oklahoma, a powerful, perfectly formed tornado touched down and tore across an open field. But it created no sound, no deafening roar, not even the sound of wind. Meteorologists who watched the footage called it physically impossible. So, what do you think? Are these just bizarre natural phenomena? Secret government experiments? Or are they signs of something far beyond our current understanding? 2025 was a year that gave us countless questions, but very few answers. Let us know your theories in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. Thanks for watching.